I arrived a couple weeks ago and we started talking about 3 prototypes for boats that we were going to build. And there were already a couple small size ones, so we were starting to build model size that were 1 meter and 2.5 meters, and we built 3 different prototypes. One was a catamaran that has a central pontoon that rotates and it's articulated, so that's how it steers. One is a 1 meter boat that has a fully articulated hull, and the other has an articulated hull as well, with like a rotating part in the middle. So there's a 4th as well that's being built. It's sort of a inflatable hull that's moved with sort of PVC pipes that are pulled with tension. So we spent some time building those. I spent a lot of time on the catamaran, building 2 pontoons out of foam and a wooden central keel. And last week we ended up finishing a couple and testing them on the water. So the catamaran was 2.5 meters, so a couple of us got on the water and rode on it, and it supported us pretty well, and it turns all right. One of the boats that's that big with the fully articulated hull had 2 motors on it, and we were using remote control. One powered the sail, and one turned the hull of the boat. And we also spent some time working on electronics and the communication, the remote control. The next steps are going to be to get better motors, to make sure the batteries are correct, and to get the communication down between the computer on land and the boat that's out on shore. And we have a lot of work to do on the design and the mechanical aspects as well.